Indian Railways, which is committed to provide the best possible comfort and experience to its passengers, is also taking steps of cleanliness and beautification of stations. Dibrugarh, a town that sits on the Brahmaputra river, holds special significance for the Indian Railways, as it is this town from where the first ever railway service for the entire northeast region had commenced. Known as the Tea City of India, Dibrugarh is hub of tea industries, and the paintings on the walls of the railway station beautifully highlight this culture. One among the paintings is that of a woman plucking leaves from the tea plantation in the town.
विभिन्न रेलवे स्टेशनों पे जिस प्रकार से पेंटिंग करवा दी है वो बहुत ही सराहनीय कदम है और इससे क्या होगा कि जो स्थानीय प्रतिभा है उसको भी बढ़ावा मिलेगा.
Balhar Sah railway station of Central Railway, Nagpur division, have been awarded first prize for depicting the best art and renovating itself as the most beautiful station across Indian Railways. The station has been beautified with paintings, sculptures and murals based on wildlife at the Tadoba National Park and local tribal art.
वाइल्ड लाइफ को प्रोटेक्शन के लिए वाइल्ड लाइफ के प्रति अपने पैसेंजर्स को, अपनी जनता को और उजागर करने के लिए हमने ये थीम रखी कि हम वहाँ पे वाइल्ड लाइफ तडोबा के बारे में वहाँ स्कल्पचर्स, पेंटिंग्स, मूरल्स एरिया बनाएं और ऐसा फील दें अपने पैसेंजर्स को कि जैसा कि वो किसी जंगल में है.
Keeping modernity and traditionality in mind, the team has brought together local artists in sculpture for the makeover of Vijayawada railway station. The artwork here depicts local culture and festivals of the place. Keeping nature in mind, Ratlam station has been transformed with natural beauty and is inspired from Sailana Wildlife Sanctuary. The drab old walls of Chennai Central Railway Station have been transformed with a funky makeover. Students of National Institute of Fashion Technology, Chennai, transformed the walls into canvas that reflects the rich culture of the city. After clinching the top position in the list of cleanest railway stations in India, Jodhpur has also proved to be one of the most beautiful stations of the country. The walls of Jodhpur railway station depict the story of kings, their royal life and war scenes. The journey of Indian Railways is very vast and full of challenges, but conquering all hurdles, Indian Railways is developing every year and making the journey comfortable for every passenger.